Fun is on hold tonight at a Waterford roller skating rink that was damaged by some strong winds.
Part of the roof is seriously mangled, but the trail of destruction goes beyond the outside of the building.
7 News Detroit reporter Rudolph Sinaida spoke to the owners of this community staple and has a look at some of the damage.
The Rolladium has been part of the Waterford community for 75 years. Weddings, birthday parties, all happening right under that roof. A roof that was partially ripped off on Tuesday. The fierce winds on Tuesday causing some serious damage in Waterford.
Mother Nature, she won. Brutally, if I must be honest.
Thunderstorms creating up to 70-mile-per-hour winds that tore roof materials off from the beloved Rolladium skating rink around 2 p.m. Tony Anselmi is the former general manager, and the business has been in his family for generations. He says at the time, only a few employees were inside.
My mom had just sold a pair of skates maybe 10 minutes before it happened, and she heard the noise and she came out just in time to watch the roof peel right off. It was like a tuna can.
And just 1 hour before that roof partially peeled off, it was an open skate session for senior citizens, a possibly dangerous situation for everyone involved.
What looked to be a devastating possibility with maybe tragic injuries or loss of life turned out spectacular in a way that there was absolutely no injuries.
But with parts of the roof gone, water from the rains quickly came in.
We have one of the best floors in the country, and it's just like my heart just dropped to the floor when I saw all the water.
The damage looks to be significant to the rink itself, but thankfully minimal on newly renovated parts of the space, including the arcade and party rooms. And this space, it's more than just that to this community.
I met my husband here.
As a child, I roller skated here.
And when something so stable crumbles, it affects everyone, as dozens from the area made their way over to the business Tuesday to offer support.
Dang it. I said I wasn't going to get emotional. It is nice to know that people care.
We'll get through it. It's just a big setback.
Now the owners tell me that they are not clear on a reopening date just yet. They have to assess all the damage, but say that you can check out their Facebook for updates on there. In Waterford, I'm Rudolph Sinaida, 7 News Detroit.